Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to print a ChatGPT conversation on your PC. So open up your ChatGPT on your PC. So just once you've opened it up, and then just go to the screen with the chat way which you want to like print. So for example here, this is the chat that I want to print, the conversation. Okay, so to print this, what I'm going to do is simply click on Ctrl plus P on your keyboard. So just press these two keys, the Ctrl and P screen. So this will take you to this dialog box here where it captures your screen. Okay, so what we're going to do now here is simply for the destination, what we're going to do, you're going to select as your Microsoft, your print to PDF or save as PDF. If you want to like save it as a PDF and then print it, you can just do that. So just select it, whatever option you want to, and then the pages, whether you want to like print everything or selected, and then the layout, how do you want to print it. Okay, so whether you want a portrait or landscape, choose your preference, all those things. And you have more settings options here where you can customize it further, but I'll just leave that for now. It's fine. All you have to do is hit on save and then hit on the print option to print it. So a PDF has now been saved. So save this copy, click on save and then print it. So save it and then you can print it, and that's how you do it.